What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I said that so weird. I just got out of the shower because Dan and I quickly went to the gym. Today is such an exciting day because we're going for our wedding cake tasting. We aren't 100% sure yet what we're gonna do. We're gonna try a few different places, but the look that we really like is the new like trendy naked looking cake. It's very rustic and I don't know, I just like the feel of it. So we're going to try 3 different flavors today and see how we like it and kind of see her designs and then go from there. But this place is very far from where we live, so it's like about an hour drive. So we need to head out real soon because we might be late. It's also raining like crazy today, which normally I'd be sad about, but it's the first time it's rained in so long and I really think the grass and the trees needed it because it has been so hot with the East Coast heat wave. All the grass everywhere was like dead. It was yellow. And so now I can see it's starting to get green again, which is good. This is what I'm wearing today. It's very hot outside, so don't ask why I'm wearing a sweater. I just thought it was cute. Plus like AC, I'm always cold. But this sweater is from Wild Fox. These are just like thrifted shorts that are super ripped up and stuff. And then I'm wearing these flip-flops from Abercrombie. I'm wearing this 3-crossed choker necklace from Child of Wild. And as for lips, I'm just wearing the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Malibu. And that's all I have. And then just some tinted moisturizer on my face with some highlight. Let's go.
1 hour later.
We really like the look of the semi-naked cake, and so she's just kind of explaining to us the finishes. So this one is like a perfect look and this is an imperfect look, more rustic. And really like this one because well, for me it looks more appetizing. And you were also saying that you could put like flowers and stuff on it?
Yes, I think if you're having some flowers or some greenery.
Salted caramel, chocolate, raspberry. These are the flavors we decided, and then the rest is vanilla.
Oh, it looks so
right?
good.
Yes.
Because I like the holes and it looks super like moist.
Yes.
I'm gonna get closer to you.
Oh, it looks so good.
It's not a sponge. A lot of people do a vanilla sponge, which is like you have to add syrup to. It's really light and airy, but you.
I want to try raspberry last because that's gonna be my favorite.
Last.
It's gonna be your favorite.
I love everything raspberry or strawberry. That was so hard to decide.
You probably won't like salted caramel.
I don't typically like it, but I'll try
it.
it. Yeah.
And you just cut it in half.
I don't know.
Do you want to practice? You're feeding each other now.
Yeah. How about yeah? Let's do that. You feed me and then I'll feed you. Oh crap. Oh, that's good.
Mm.
I normally don't like salted caramel.
That's
salted
really
caramel
is one of my favorites too, like cookies and cream.
It's actually, like I told you, it's one of the most popular ones this summer.
Oh, that's so good. It's like dense, but also light.
Diana's so good at explaining like
I'm gonna hire you. No, but it's fun because actually the caramel, you'll see I'll do a caramel inside the buttercream and then I'll also do a drizzle of the caramel.
Should we do chocolate? I'm just gonna take a piece. Cheers.
Do you find them too sweet? A lot of people say these are like not that sweet, and that's what people hate. Is too sweet.
I personally don't like things too sweet.
Yeah.
Like my grandmother on my Hungarian side, all of her desserts are not that sweet, so I grew up eating that kind of stuff. So when I have things too sweet, I don't like it, and I love this.
Oh,
Yeah, this
so
is amazing.
it's still sweet, like it's still really tasty, and I know a kid would like this, but I like it because it's not like excessively sweet.
Okay, good.
Is that your favorite?
That's my favorite. That's so good. Oh my god, I love raspberry.
That is actually really.
And there's like pieces of raspberry. Like
Yes, of course.
Oh, that's my favorite.
That might actually be my favorite too.
Really?
Oh.
Yes.
Of the 3.
Okay, Dan, so what do you think we're gonna do?
I think we're gonna do like alternating tiers with the flavors because I loved both of them. I mean, I loved all 3. I loved the chocolate as well. And I'm sure I would have loved every single flavor, but raspberry and salted caramel were our 2 favorites. So I think we'd alternate, like go raspberry caramel.
Yeah, and you don't mix them when you eat them. It's like you either have the raspberry or the caramel. So
it's basically like 4 or 5 cakes stacked on top of each other, right?
Exactly.
So it's like 1 cake of raspberry, 1 cake of caramel, and then so they're not mixing. Yeah, but that was one of the best cakes I've ever had.
I know, that was
probably
so
the best.
Good.
The best.
No shade to our family and their cakes, but this is like another level.
No, this was like I was saying, it's so moist,
but still light
and dense, but also light.
Yeah.
It wasn't like packed with butter, and that's what made it moist. It was just very well made. It was like perfect almost. It was really good.
I agree. And we're not gonna do any toppers on it. We're just gonna do like flowers and make it very like rustic-y and kind of, I said rustic-y, I don't even know if it's a word. And we're gonna match it towards our decorations and flowers of what we're doing at the venue. So I think we're just gonna go with that. You know, keep it simple since our full wedding is very personal and very kind of small, and you know, like my cousin is marrying us, my friend's making my wedding dress. Like we want the cake to kind of go with that theme as well. So imperfect is just like the perfect way of explaining it. So I think we're gonna do that. The next thing we have to do is 100% book the DJ and talk to him about all the fun like activities and stuff we're gonna be doing while we're taking photos, and also fun games to include us on and to keep the guests entertained. And then also our menus. So we're gonna be doing the menus, and that I'm gonna be doing on Minted. So I'll show you guys what I'm thinking for that as well. But so far, cake tasting is done, and we don't have much else to do other than organizing where everyone sits at the venue. We're almost done, guys. I can't believe it.
Goes by fast.
I know.
Okay, so now I'm currently kind of going through some wedding invitation things as well as getting the menus organized. So basically these were the like RSVPs with what they wanted to eat and if they're accepting or not. And so we have all of the options available. Now what we're gonna do is go through it and organize the menus so that we can order those and have those ready. But I need to figure out what our food is. So I'm gonna look through Minted and look at what their menus look like. Excuse me. And kind of go based off of the theme we had for the invitations, which I really like. Okay, so the person who designed our wedding invitations as well as save the date cards also does menus as well as wedding programs. And I'm gonna look at the wedding program right now because I think that's so pretty. Here, let's see if we can make this bigger. And you can custom make it yourself. So that's just an example of what it would look like. Cute. And then the menus look like that. I like it. It's simple, goes with our theme. Okay guys, it is a few days later now. I'm sorry for the background noise. We have our dishwasher going as well as fans. Today I'm going with my bridesmaids as well as my 2 flower girls to pick out their dresses, and then the other girls are gonna get fitted for their dresses and fix the straps and stuff. Then after, Catherine and I are gonna head to go shoe shopping for the bridesmaids. We're gonna go look around and see if there's any options available of shoes. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me and ask for your suggestions. We're not gonna buy anything today, but I would like to know your thoughts. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for my flower girls to pick out their dresses. They're older, so I think they're 10 and 12. I'm so bad with ages. So they're gonna actually get like, it's like called like pre-teen bridesmaids dresses. So it's not like little flower girl, you know, like the big poofy one. It's almost like a bridesmaid's dress, but smaller. So we're gonna go look at those. They're gonna get fitted, and then yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm so excited. Things are finally falling into place. We have the hotel things set up. We have the dress fittings being done. The suits are basically done. We're going soon with the ring bearers to get their stuff fitted, and then all the little last minute things. And we have an appointment with our venue as well to go in and kind of talk about that stuff. So everything is falling into place. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I really thought it was gonna be like really stressful and stuff, and the venue has just been so great, so I'm very excited. I just changed, put my glasses on, put a cute outfit on, and I'm ready to go for the fitting. Yay! So I just got to the place where the bridesmaids dresses and flower girl dresses are being made, and I just got myself an iced chai latte with soy milk. I'm gonna head inside. I'm a little early, but I'm sure it's not a problem. I'm here, and I'm excited. I love beautiful dresses. I'm with my little Mia, and she's trying on a bunch of dresses. This is one of them she picked out she really likes, but it's gonna be in a pink color. She's just trying out the different styles. Okay, so should we go try on the next one? Sure. Yeah? So Mia, how's this one feel? A bit long?
It was weird when I just like...
A bit big, and obviously it would be in the pink. But the style of it is...
The back is nice.
Yeah. And it would, remember, like this wouldn't be as big here, and it would be fitted to you. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you excited to try on the other one?
Yeah, I always wanted a really heavy casting.
Yeah. That's gonna look really pretty on you. I think we have a winner.
Like November. We got a winner.
It's so
Wait,
beautiful.
I just got up.
We have a winner. Let's see the back.
Except it's really white here.
Well, yeah, because you're tan. But remember, October, you're not going to have as much of a line. And also, if you really don't like it, you can put makeup. Oh, it's so beautiful. What do you like most about it?
I like the calf sleeve.
Yes.
I love going very bold, but this is very bold with the calf sleeves, and at the same time, it's cute.
Yeah, and remember, it's not going to be as big. It's going to be really fitted to you, so it's going to feel really comfortable.
Except the only thing are these pins.
Yeah, well, that's not going to be there when you get the actual dress. And in a really nice pink color, you can do such pretty things with your makeup too.
Yeah. It's so pretty. It's a really nice color,
I like
too.
how it does
It
that.
flows. Yeah.
It's
And you know
flowy.
it would be shorter, right? Like,
Yeah, and it wouldn't be as like
yeah, super
much.
flattering. Yeah, it's really pretty on you. It's really cute. Yeah, they can be measured. We're good on the grand.
Hey y'all. Okay, I'm with Catty Cat 73 right now. Just got the dress fittings. Everything went well. They fit and they fit. And the lengths were adjusted, and now we're gonna go to the mall to see if there's any shoes that we can look at.
Let's go to
The mall.
today.
Oh, isn't that from The Office? Wait, what's that from?
I don't know.
Oh my god, do you guys know what
Let's
that's
go
from?
to the mall.
I don't know, somebody stated.
So these are Catherine's shoes she's trying on.
So dry.
No, stop. This is her size, but we're doing this color. And they're gonna be hidden.
It's too similar, eh?
What?
Like the dress color?
No, the dress color is like a mauvey pink.
I forget what it looks like now.
But also you have to remember that the dress is gonna completely cover the shoes. It's just for comfort and to give a bit of height. So these are comfortable and they do add a bit of height. So Sophia's gonna come and try them on. But what do you think? What are you doing?
Flexing my tricep.
Nice. Do you like them though?
Yeah, I really do. They're cute.
They're nice and
they're
black
really
too.
simple. Yeah, the black are really nice. Like I would get these. For
Yeah.
myself, but I mean, I don't need them.
Yeah. Nice. Catherine, you can't do that. It is currently, again, a few days later, actually kind of a while later. I have a few things to update you on, but I need to leave in like 2 minutes to go to my mom's house, pick up my grandma and my mom because we're heading today for my Okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna include this in the video or not. I might ask you guys on Instagram just because I don't want Dan to see, but I'll just tell him not to watch it. I don't really know yet. It's not my full dress. It's literally just a slip, but you guys can get a sense of what it looks like. We went to our venue, so everything is literally done. We met with our DJ. We need to go over kind of like a set list as well as a schedule with him and figure out our songs. If you guys have any suggestions, please not Ed Sheeran or anything like that, but we need a song for when Daniel and everyone walks down the aisle, for when I walk down the aisle, then when everyone leaves, and then we also need father-daughter dance, mother-son dance, and then a dance for me and Daniel. We don't know what song to pick because we literally have such different tastes in music. It's really hard. There's not like a song that's meaningful for the two of us. I have lots of songs that are meaningful for my dad and I, so I think my dad might pick something, but for Daniel and I, we have no clue. We have listened to so many songs and we're just like, I don't know. That is all we have left to do. I'm getting a bunch of stuff shipped in from Etsy that I've ordered. I'll show you guys. I have the little flower girl baskets. They are handmade out of wood. Kind of see here what it looks like. And I have two. They're so beautiful. And then I also have stuff for the ring bearers that are coming in. I got some little flower pins for the bridesmaids as well as myself. Everything is just coming together, you guys. It's like insane. I might sit down after and show you everything, but I'm headed now to go for my dress fitting. Here with my mommy. Hi. We're picking up my grandma. Hi, Mom. Hi. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I think it's just the slip of the dress.
I'm very
You get to
excited.
see like how
You're
it
not
fits.
showing it though, right?
I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I don't know.
Well, I get to see the lace too.
Yeah. That I showed to them.
Okay. I remember
Because
when
I
you
went,
went to buy
yeah.
it.
Maybe I'll do a little hint. Or maybe what I'll do is I'll insert clips of when I tried on the real wedding dress at the wedding shop, but I didn't end up going with that one. It's beautiful, but it was very expensive, and Emma's making my dress anyways, but I tried it on for fun. Maybe I'll insert that if I decide not to put this one in. I kind of want it to be a surprise,
I think you should keep it a surprise.
but I know they're so curious to see it. They're just gonna have to wait to see. I don't know. Hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
I'm with Emma again, and we're trying on, this is the slip
This is a sample.
The sample.
Hide it.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So guys, I decided I'm just not gonna show it because
Make it a surprise.
I want it to be a surprise. And everyone keeps telling me to make it a surprise.
Yeah.
But
It's like the one thing that you can hold for yourself until the last second.
I'm just so excited. Okay, let me try it on.
Yeah.
So
Just like another like.
I love the fact that you've made it. Like I love that
You asked me to make
I'm so happy that I get to wear like your design on me. Like that's hey guys, my dress. Well, not the finished product, but this is gonna go into my final video after my wedding, but right now you'll see the blurred version and then the non-blurred version after the wedding. I am back home, you guys, and I'm so happy. Obviously, I decided not to show you guys, and I was gonna do a poll on Instagram, but literally everyone in my life is telling me not to put it on camera until my actual wedding. What I might do is insert a few clips now of when I tried on that other wedding dress just for fun, and I might actually just put that as the thumbnail, so don't worry, that is not actually my dress. So if Daniel sees that thumbnail, it's not actually my dress. I should check it out because I have a lot of people coming in now for their weddings that are asking.
Oh, cool. Yeah. I have to get. I'm a little intimidated
so
to get on Instagram.
I don't know. I haven't decided of this part yet.
Oh my god.
This is so beautiful.
let me back up.
To match it without my glasses.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
Here, I'll place the screen better for you. And here, I'll just take the. Will you wear contacts that day?
I don't have contacts actually, so I'm gonna have to get those.
Okay.
Oh my god, so nice.
Your butt looks great.
I know. It's really like.
If you don't mind me saying
Yeah.
that. I think I'm old enough I can say that.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Your figure really well.
Yeah, like really shows.
Really, like.
I like don't know how to walk in this though. Like how am I supposed to like?
I think you should, it's pretty because it's tight like till your mid thigh, but you.
But I mean for the train.
Oh,
like,
right,
ruin it
yes,
'cause it's
yeah.
so pretty.
But like for later, you get it bustled up so you can walk around. They
That's
do
why the
beautiful,
lace is
beautiful
so nice.
dresses.
It comes from Spain.
Yeah.
Like really beautiful.
Yeah, the lace is beautiful. Wait, let's do a full body front. There. Oh my god, so nice. Do you want me to take a picture?
Yeah.
I'm so happy with it, you guys. I cannot wait. I have to go back in like a week and a bit to actually try on the full dress. Like she did a few more like things for me, like had to pull in some parts and whatever. And I get to see like the finished product in a week, and I'm so excited about it. And I might cry, I don't know, but. There's also a lot of other things that I like haven't really spoken about. I just didn't want this video to be too long. So if you guys want another update video, I have my bridal shower coming up, which I'm definitely gonna film, and I have a few other really fun things. So let me know if you wanna see that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below. Yeah, get excited. There's so many fun things coming. I'm so happy, you guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
In this abandoned amusement park, we come to life when it turns dark. We're just carnival hearts, you and me.